Listen up. If you think vegetarians only get protein from eggs, you're missing out. Today, I'm revealing 5 vegetarian protein sources that outshine eggs. Seriously, forget what you thought you knew. We're busting the biggest kitchen myth and showing you real powerhouses that will transform your meals and your body. Protein is essential for energy, muscle, and staying full. So why settle for bland, boring options? A smart vegetarian diet is about replacing meat with ingredients packed with flavor, texture, and protein. Grab your notepad. These 5 ingredients will change your cooking game forever. Let's get started. First up, lentils. These tiny legumes might not look like much at first glance, but don't let their humble appearance fool you. Lentils have been a staple in kitchens around the world for centuries, quietly fueling families and cultures with their incredible nutrition and versatility. Forget the mushy slop stereotype. Lentils are a true protein powerhouse, and there's so much more than just a side dish. Whether you're a seasoned vegetarian or just looking to add more plant-based meals to your week, lentils are your best friend in the kitchen. One cooked cup has 18 grams of protein, more than 2 eggs, and loads of fiber to keep you full and satisfied for hours. Plus, they're packed with iron, folate, and essential minerals, making them a nutritional all-star for anyone, not just vegetarians. Red lentils melt into creamy soups and dals, perfect for cozy nights in. Green and brown lentils hold their shape, making them ideal for hearty salads, rustic stews, or even a vegetarian shepherd's pie that's every bit as comforting as the classic. Lentils absorb flavors beautifully. Think garlic, cumin, fresh herbs, or coconut milk and spices for a rich, aromatic curry. Their mild taste is like a blank canvas, ready to soak up whatever flavors you throw at them. They're affordable, versatile, and can be the star in burgers, bolognese, or spicy patties. You can even use them to bulk up tacos, stuff peppers, or make a satisfying meatless loaf. Cooking is simple. Just rinse, simmer in water or stock, and you're done in 20-30 minutes. No soaking required, no fuss, and no fancy equipment needed. They're perfect for busy weeknights or meal prepping ahead. Lentils are the foundation of smart, delicious vegetarian cooking. They're the ingredient that makes plant-based meals feel hearty and satisfying, not just healthy. Next time you shop, skip the eggs and grab a bag of lentils. Your wallet and your taste buds will thank you. They're one of the most budget-friendly proteins out there, and a single bag can stretch into several meals. Experiment, swap them into your favorite recipes, and discover their potential. Try them in pasta sauces, grain bowls, or even as a base for a quick, protein-packed salad. Lentils aren't just a substitute, they're an upgrade. They bring texture, flavor, and nutrition to every dish, elevating your meals in ways you might not expect. Master lentils, and you unlock the heart of vegetarian cuisine. You'll find yourself reaching for them again and again, amazed at how many ways they can transform your cooking. Stop thinking of them as boring. Start using them as your secret weapon. With a little creativity, lentils can be the highlight of any meal, impressing even the most dedicated meat eaters at your table. Lentils, the key to incredible protein-packed meals that are as nourishing as they are delicious. Give them a try, and you'll wonder how you ever cooked without them. Next up, chickpeas, the golden, nutty star of the vegetarian world. These humble legumes have been fueling civilizations for thousands of years, and for good reason. Packed with nutrients, chickpeas are a true staple in kitchens across the globe, beloved for their taste, texture, and versatility. With 15 grams of protein per cup, chickpeas leave eggs in the dust when it comes to plant-based power. They're also loaded with fiber, iron, and essential vitamins, making them a nutritional powerhouse for anyone looking to eat healthier or add more plant-based meals to their routine. Sure, hummus is great, but chickpeas can do so much more. Think beyond the dip. Their mild, nutty flavor makes them the perfect canvas for a world of culinary creativity. Roast them for a crunchy, protein-packed snack, toss them in salads for extra bite and nutrition, or simmer them in a rich, aromatic curry that soaks up all the spices and flavors. Their firm texture adds substance to any dish. Think hearty burgers, crispy falafel, or even as a meat substitute in tacos and wraps. And don't forget aquafaba, the magical liquid from canned chickpeas that whips up into vegan meringues, mousses, and even fluffy pancakes. Chickpeas are easy to use. Grab a can for instant convenience, perfect for quick weeknight meals or last-minute snacks. Or, if you have a little extra time, soak and cook dried chickpeas for unbeatable flavor and texture. They're budget-friendly and store well, making them a smart pantry staple. Try a Mediterranean salad with chickpeas, crisp veggies, and a zesty lemon vinaigrette for a fresh, protein-packed meal that's as satisfying as it is colorful. Chickpeas are beloved worldwide, from the spicy, comforting chana masala of India to the crispy, herby falafel of the Middle East, because they're delicious, nutritious, and endlessly adaptable to any cuisine. Don't just stick to hummus, roast, fry, stew, or even blend them into creamy soups and sauces for a protein boost, or mash them for endless possibilities. Think chickpea toast, sandwich spreads, or even as a base for savory pancakes. Chickpeas bring texture, flavor, and protein to every meal, making them a true kitchen MVP. Challenge yourself. Add chickpeas to your next dish, whether it's a stew, salad, or even a breakfast scramble, and taste the difference they make. Once you start, you'll never look at eggs the same way again. Chickpeas are just that good. Chickpeas, the ultimate versatile protein, ready to transform your meals, from ordinary to extraordinary. Make them your new kitchen staple, and unlock a world of delicious, nutritious possibilities. Now, let's talk about quinoa, the ancient grain that's become a staple in modern kitchens around the world. Revered for centuries in South America, quinoa is now celebrated globally for its incredible nutritional profile and versatility. This tiny seed, often mistaken for a grain, has earned its place as a superfood, and for good reason. Quinoa is one of the few plant-based foods that contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a rare and valuable complete protein source for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to boost their protein intake naturally. With about 8 grams of protein per cooked cup, quinoa packs a powerful punch, but it doesn't stop there. It's also rich in fiber, magnesium, iron, and antioxidants, making it a nutritional powerhouse and a fantastic base for any meal, from breakfast to dinner. Its light, fluffy texture and subtle nutty flavor elevate everything from vibrant salads to hearty grain bowls, and even breakfast porridge. Quinoa adapts beautifully to both sweet and savory dishes, making it a true kitchen chameleon. Before cooking, always rinse quinoa thoroughly under cold water to remove its natural coating, called saponin, which can taste bitter. Then, simply simmer it with water or stock for about 15 minutes, and you'll have perfectly cooked, fluffy quinoa every time. For a balanced, delicious meal, build a quinoa bowl, top it with roasted chickpeas, creamy avocado, juicy tomatoes, and a dollop of Greek yogurt. Add a sprinkle of seeds or fresh herbs for extra flavor and nutrition. The possibilities are endless, and you can customize your bowl to suit any taste or dietary need. Quinoa comes in several varieties: white, red, and black. Each type offers a slightly different texture and flavor, and mixing them together not only adds visual appeal, but also creates a more interesting bite. Naturally gluten-free, quinoa is a perfect choice for anyone with gluten sensitivities, or those simply seeking a healthier alternative to rice or pasta. It's easy to digest and keeps you feeling full and energized. Quinoa is incredibly easy to cook, endlessly versatile, and instantly upgrades your meals. Use it as a base for stir-fries, stuff it into peppers, or toss it into soups and stews for added texture and nutrition. Don't think of quinoa as just a trendy health food. Think of it as an essential ingredient that deserves a permanent spot in your pantry. Try swapping out your usual grains for quinoa in your favorite recipes, and notice the difference in both taste and nutrition. It's a simple change that can have a big impact on your overall health. It's time to embrace the big benefits packed into this tiny seed. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or whipping up a quick dinner, quinoa is always a smart choice. Quinoa, the smart, complete protein choice that brings nutrition, flavor, and endless possibilities to your table. Next, Greek yogurt, thick, creamy, and packed with up to 20 grams of protein per serving. The straining process makes it rich and satisfying, far superior to regular yogurt. It's loaded with casein and whey, perfect for muscle repair and post-workout recovery. But it's not just for breakfast. Use Greek yogurt as a base for sauces, dips, and marinades. Add a dollop to spicy lentil curry, or mix with mint and cucumber for a fresh tzatziki. Whisk it into salad dressings or use as a marinade for tofu or paneer. Greek yogurt is also full of probiotics for gut health. Look for real Greek yogurt, thick, simple ingredients, no added sugars. Keep it in your fridge for a protein boost at any meal. It adds creaminess, tang, and nutrition to everything from soups to stews. Greek yogurt bridges the gap between light and satisfying meals. Don't underestimate it. Make it a staple in your kitchen. Greek yogurt, the creamy, protein-packed game changer. Finally, tofu, the misunderstood protein superstar. With up to 20 grams of protein per serving, tofu is a blank canvas for flavor. The secret: press out the water before marinating to get crispy, flavorful tofu. Marinate in soy, ginger, or even Greek yogurt-based sauces for maximum taste. Pan fry, bake, or crumble tofu for stir-fries, scrambles, or even desserts. Use firm or extra-firm tofu for cooking. Silken tofu for blending into smoothies or sauces. Tofu isn't trying to be meat, it's its own thing, rewarding creativity and good technique. Try crispy salt and pepper tofu with stir-fried veggies for a restaurant-quality meal at home. Tofu challenges you to be a better cook and delivers when you do it right. Don't fear tofu, master it, and you unlock endless protein-rich possibilities. It's the ultimate chameleon stir-fry, mousse, lasagna, and more. Give tofu the respect it deserves and transform your vegetarian meals. Tofu, your secret weapon for stunning protein-packed dishes. There you have it, 5 vegetarian protein titans that leave eggs behind. Lentils, chickpeas, quinoa, Greek yogurt, and tofu aren't just substitutes, they're culinary powerhouses. These ingredients build meals that are healthy, satisfying, and bursting with flavor. Next time someone questions vegetarian protein, you'll know exactly what to say. Get creative, explore new recipes, and enjoy the vibrant world of plant-based protein. Your body, your taste buds, and your friends will thank you. Like, subscribe, and comment your favorite vegetarian protein below. Now get cooking.